I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Let's take a look at markets here, and this is for October 4th, 2021, and markets are opening this Monday session with a little bit of a move down. Now, if the markets are seriously going to see a bigger drop in this quick educational video, be on the lookout for stocks that are showing these types of rejection. So this is just a random stock, and to be clear, it is GNK in the shipping sector, shipping industry. And what we can see here is on the monthly, this is all data monthly, and we can see here that it has tagged RSI 69.1 twice and now is moving below it. In other words, it's a double top RSI 69.1 uniform activity. And let me stress that last part. The uniform activity is the key. This double top rejection, because as long as it is showing that look, chances are the next major trend for this instrument, potentially for the sector, potentially for the general market, is down, as long as this continues to be the look. One way to correct this, of course, is by the RSI eventually moving and holding back above RSI 69.1. That's what the bulls would want to see. In other words, the next momentum buy signal is going to be if and when it breaks out above the recent monthly closing high, or if it can break out on its weekly above the recent weekly closing highs at about 2040-ish. So a breakout is needed. For now, we can see that the breakout attempt over the last 2 weeks has failed. In fact, going back to this reversal area, lots of failed breakouts. But the key in this video is to understand what happens when an instrument shows RSI 69.1 rejection once, and more so if it happens more than once. Here we can see a clear example on the monthly, 3 years monthly now, of a double top uniform activity rejection at that threshold, a critical threshold of RSI 69.1. Now, where does this number come from? Well, if you take the RSI, and let's say this is 50 RSI level, this is 100. So we can see 50 here. So 50 points difference. What we do is take 38.2, 0.382 times 50. We're gonna get 19.1. 19.1 plus 50, you get 69.1. At any rate, for this video, for this educational video, that RSI 69.1 for any instrument showing that type of a look is gonna be setting the stage for a move down, because that is definitely 2 red flags at the RSI 69.1 threshold. And so it is. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.